Hello children, welcome to your online class. Let's continue our class. So class 3rd we have completed our syllabus and today we are going to revise chapter 11 sound and noise. Okay, but before that I am going to tell you the syllabus for your final exams. Okay, so class 3rd chapter 2 the respiratory system. Chapter 7 States of Matter, Chapter 10 Save Natural Resources, and Chapter 11 Sound and Noise. These 4 chapters are coming in your final exam. So read them all very carefully, very nicely so that you can score good. Okay, all the question answers, worksheets, exercise questions, all you have to prepare very nicely. So children, in today's video I am going to tell you the answers of chapter 11 sound and noise. This is question number G given on page number 120 120. Answer the following questions. So first question is, how is sound produced from our mouth? So here I have written the question, how is sound produced from our mouth? And the answer will be, when we speak our tongue vibrates and sound is produced. Question number 2 is, give 3 ways how plants produce sound. So you will write, plants produce sound by following ways. Number 1, by rattling of their leaves. Number 2, by falling down of twigs, branches and fruits. And number 3, when animals and birds make their way through the leaves and branches. Children, many of you have done these questions, but some of you have not written them properly. So that's why I am writing the answer on the board. So if any correction is needed, just match your answer. All of you just match your answers, and if any correction is needed, just do it in your notebooks. Children, be careful for your spelling errors. Okay, spelling should be correct. Okay, and you have to write in a proper way, and complete sentences should be there in your answers. Now our next question, question 3, give any 3 ways to reduce noise pollution. So answer will be, 3 ways to reduce noise pollution are: number 1, do not play the TV, radio or music player at loud volumes. Number 2, blow horn only when necessary. Number 3, DJ should be used only for a limited period. Now last question, question number 4. What does loud sound cause? You will write the answer. Loud sound sometimes cause permanent deafness. Deafness means when someone is unable to hear. Okay. So these are the answers of chapter 11, which I have given you in assignment 28 and 29. Now I have written on the board. If any correction is needed, just do it so that you do not do any mistake in exams. Okay. Now I am going to solve worksheet 2 and exercise questions A, B, C, D, E, which I have given you in a last homework, that is assignment 29. Okay, so if you have done and any correction is there, just do it in your book. So children, this is your worksheet 2 of chapter 11 given on page number 118. Okay, so question number 1, unscramble the following letters to make meaningful words. So when you will unscramble the first one, you will get whisper, WHISPER, whisper. Then second one is shrill, SHRILL, shrill. Then third one is nausea, NAUSEA, nausea. Nausea means the feeling of sickness, or when you feel to vomit, that is called nausea. Okay. Now question number 2, write whether each statement is true or false. So first one, musical sounds are unpleasant to hear. No, this is false because we love music. Okay. Now B1 is drums produce flat sounds. This is true. Then third, very large sounds can damage our ears. Yes, this is true. Now question number 3. Tick the correct answers. The sound of machine is option A, loud and unpleasant, B, flat and pleasant, C, unpleasant and soft, and D, loud and flat. So you will correct option A, loud and unpleasant. Now question number 4, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. First one is very loud sound may cause permanent deafness. Here options are given. Deafness spelling you can match with this box. Now B, musical sounds refresh our mind and body. C, rockets produce loud sound. Now question 3, give 2 characteristics of the following musical instruments. So first one is drum. Here you will write loud and flat sound. Second, ghungru, you will write loud and shrill sound. And third, you will write soft and pleasant sound. Now we will do exercise question. Question A given on page number 119, 119. First one is tick the right options. So first question is, which of the following is a natural sound? Blowing of horns or chirping of birds? So chirping of birds is natural sound. You will tick it out. Second one, tick tick sound is produced by, you all know that. Clock is the correct option. Now third one is, rockets and aeroplanes produce loud sound. This also you all know. You will tick it out. Now question 4, ghungru and whistle produce shrill sound. This you will correct it. Okay. Now question B, fill in the blanks with given options. Here some options are given. So first one is dash sounds result in headache and nausea. You will write here unpleasant sounds. Okay. Number 2, beating of steel plate with a spoon produce shrill sound. Okay. Now third one, blow horns only when necessary. Fourth, very loud sound may cause permanent deafness. Okay. Now next one is question C. Give one word for the following. First one is sensation of hearing is known as sound. Okay. If someone will ask what is sound, what you will answer? You will reply some sensation of hearing is known as sound. Now second one is basic phenomena that produce sound. That is vibration. 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 Then third one, loud and unpleasant sound is known as noise. 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 Now fourth, drums, carpets, bed sheets produce flat sound. flat flat sound. You have to write complete answer. Flat sound. Some children have written flat only. Okay. Now D1 is write whether following materials produce flat or shrill sound. In first one you will write shrill. In second one you will write flat. Then third shrill. Fourth shrill. And fifth flat. Okay. Now question E. Match the following terms with pictures. First one you will match with second picture, that is loud sound. Okay. Second pleasant sound you will match with third picture. Then third one is noise, you will match it with first picture. And fourth one soft sound you will match it with fourth picture. Okay. Now F, write true or false. First one is vibration of our tongue produce sound. Yes, this is true. Second, different materials produce same type of sound. This is false. Third, loud sounds may affect our eardrums. Yes, this is true. Then fourth, DJ should be used only for limited period of time. Yes, this is true. So children, we have completed the revision of this chapter also. Now you must learn all the question answers, all the worksheet questions. All you have to do very nicely. And children, in class 3rd, you have to write the answers on paper. Okay, there will be a lengthy question paper and you will get 2 hours to solve it. Okay, so prepare it very carefully and go through the chapter. Each and every line you have to read very carefully. From anywhere question can come. Clear? All chapter is very important, and these points are also very important. Let's recall. So read them carefully. Clear? So this much is for today, and till our next video. Thank you and bye bye.